One of the biggest challenges I had faced as a tarot card reader is having repeatedly the same cards come out for my readings. I used to often think that this is a big problem until I realized it really wasn't. Hi, my name is Akshaya Kavle. I'm a nature and animal communicator and a tarot card reader, and now I integrate both these modalities to help me connect better with nature and animals around me. When I started with my tarot card readings way back in 2009, there was a phase that I felt like constantly I just have the same cards coming up. No matter what reading I'm doing, for whom, whether it's for an animal or a human, I would see these 3-4 cards coming up repeatedly. I kept shuffling my cards. I ensured that I changed my cards even. I had 2 decks of the Rider-Waite. I changed my cards. Then later, I even bought another different deck altogether. But no matter what I did, the same cards would keep coming up and it was utterly frustrating for me. I was so confident that I was doing something wrong until slowly and steadily I realized that it was a message to me as the reader and not something that I was really doing wrong. I started digging in deeper, and instead of directly jumping on to doing readings for everyone else, I actually did a reading for myself to understand the meaning of these repeated cards. And that's where I realized that these repeated cards are not a mistake. They are actually a pattern in my reading and also a pattern in the kind of people that are reaching out to me or even animals. I realized that whatever these humans or animals were going through is very similar to what I was going through in my life. The repeated patterns, the repeated guidance, and the repeated messages that the cards were showing was not just for the people who are reaching out, the animals who are reaching out, but also very, very relevant to me. So if you're someone who's going through a similar phase, it is a good idea to take your cards, cleanse them, charge them, and clearly ask your cards what these repeated cards or patterns mean to you and how you could effectively resolve it as well. Trust me, it's not really a problem, it's just a message to really deeply and more intuitively connect with our cards, understand how everything is interconnected, even if we are doing reading for others, what it means, and it just really deepens the bond that we share with our cards, and it also gives us better readings if we are doing it for other people or animals. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you have yourself noticed a certain pattern in your readings, please do mention it in the comment section below so that we can all learn from each other. Until the next video, bye-bye.